What's up, guys?
Welcome to Ride the Bean. Today, spring has arrived in Trondheim. Lovely weather. It's the first time we see the sun in a few months, it feels like.
That's what it feels like.
So today we thought we would use this opportunity to learn how to change a tire, or repeat how to change a tire. If you have been following us for a while, you know that a few months ago, Torgeir from the Yamaha store taught us how to change a tire. And now it's our turn to do it ourselves, unsupervised.
Let's see if we remember any of it.
It's gonna be interesting.
Whoa.
So this is my XT. Today is actually the last day that I have only this bike. Tomorrow we are going to pick up our new Tenere 700s. That's gonna be exciting. So that's the perfect day then to put the summer tires back on. Hopefully it doesn't go anywhere now. Is it? Yeah, I think that's good. If I remember correctly, first we need to take the wheel off. Let's try to remember the order that we take the screws and things off now. There we go. The bolts. And roll the tire forward a bit, take the chain off. Awesome. And then we have two sleeves that we need to be careful we don't lose, one on each side. They are not the same, so we need to make sure that these end up back on the same side. Smaller one on the right, larger one on the left. That's actually the first time I take the tire off on this bike myself. Now we have this. There's another sleeve on the inside here. And these are the anti-vibration things. I'm not sure what they're called, but they dampen the vibrations in the wheel. All right, so I guess now we just gotta make sure we don't damage the brake disc. Then we gotta let the air out the tire, I guess. Now I'm not sure. When Torgeir showed us, he showed us how to change the tire with a tube. And now I see that this tire says tubeless. I have no idea if there's a tube in here or not, but I guess we'll find that out soon. This thing is very important not to lose. Okay, and now I guess it's the big moment. We gotta break the bead. I'm not sure I'm doing this right, but I seem to be too stupid to do this.
Maybe it's not a question of stupidity, maybe it's a question of just pure muscle strength.
So you're saying I'm weak, not stupid?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's better or worse. Why is this so damn difficult? There!
Are you okay?
Yes, and I broke the bead. You hear that pop? That was what I was looking for. See, now it's loose. And I gotta do the same on the other side. I can't break it on the other side. This looks so easy when people on YouTube does it, but I feel stupid now. You wanna try?
Sure.
You try to use the other one then as an extra leverage.
Oh.
There, yes. Now it's broken. Shouldn't be that difficult. But now it's off. All the way around on both sides. Now we gotta take the tire off. Oh yeah, be careful so you don't pinch the tube. If there is a tube. I don't even know if there's a tube in there. Is there a tube in there or is there not? Here we go. Now it's starting to happen. Hey, that's one side. Tire halfway off. Now we just gotta get the tube out. There we go. Hope I haven't pinched it. I really hope I haven't pinched it. It's out! So now let's get the rest of the tire off. Let's just rip it off. Yes, that worked. Awesome! Now what? Now we gotta figure out which direction it rolls. So now this is rolling this way. And this tire is rolling which way? It looks like it's rolling this way. So then, so I guess let's put some soap on it. We have some dish soap. I hope that works. Step on one side. Yes!
There we go.
It wasn't that difficult.
No?
And then the tube. It doesn't want to go in the hole. Come on, come on, come on. There, yes. We have this pump. We got to put a little bit of air in the tire. Never used this one before. I think it's the same one that Norali or Itchy Boots is using. It's supposed to be simple and easy to use. Now we've connected the cables to the battery and stealing Pia's power. And let's see if this works now. I guess we gotta turn the bike on. I've never done this before. I'm a bit nervous. See if it works. Yeah, it works. Okay. Did we get any air in here now at all? I think we have air in here a little bit.
All right.
Okay, so now I guess we gotta get the rest of the tire on. Lube everything. Yes! Come on, almost, almost. Last one now. Hopefully. Come on, come on. Come on. Yes. Did it. Okay, let's try to put some air in it and see. I don't know what's supposed to happen now. Is it just supposed to pop back into place or? I think that's enough. Right, so now I guess we gotta get everything back on again. Gotta put these back in. I'm not sure exactly if there's a specific order for these or...
I got no idea.
Like that. Let's try to roll the wheel back in place. Okay, let's put the caliper back on. Hold the sleeve. Fuck. This is fucking sleeves. Why can't they just stick in place? Just stay in place. Or maybe it's easier if we just lower the bike. Hey!
Woo!
Wait. Yes!
Yeah!
Awesome!
Awesome!
Now
All right.
it's the washer and the nuts. There we go. Perfect. Then I guess we gotta just brake. There. Okay. We did it. First tire change. Awesome. This is awesome. My first tire change.
You did it!
Awesome!
Good job.
Took us 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. Next one might be quicker.
I hope so. Yeah, we had planned on changing both tires today, but we discovered that we are missing one pretty important tool. We can't get the front wheel off. So we need to go get that tool.
The golden hexagon.
And then finish the job. But I think now we know how to do it at least. We managed to do it all by ourselves. So if we can do it here, we can probably do it in Africa too. Hopefully.
That was fun.
That was fun. That was a lot of fun.
I'm so glad Torgeir taught us that.
Yeah. I'm still missing the front tire, but I'm gonna put that on tomorrow. And well, tomorrow something else is happening. So maybe I won't do it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be busy. That's coming in the next episode, so stay tuned.
All right. It's a victory. You won for the motorbike.
Well, I hope you guys learned something with us, or at least enjoyed watching us attempt to do this. I guess the first ride will let us know if we did it correctly.
Yeah.
So I'm still alive for the next episode. It was a success. So, thank you guys for watching.
If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos.
And if you want to support us, you can go to ridethebean.com where you can get a bag of our very own coffee, The Bean, or one of our cool t-shirts. And we'll see you in the next episode.